Hello everyone. So did you complete all the exercises related to polygons and circles? Great. So now today we are going to learn very simple topics. We are going to start with symmetry. Ready? Let's begin.
A figure that can be divided into halves such that the two halves match exactly is called a symmetrical figure. For example, observe this butterfly. Both of its wings match exactly with each other, right? So, this is a symmetrical figure. The red dotted line shows the line of symmetry. Now try on your own. Find 4 symmetrical objects in your surrounding and draw them. Also draw their lines of symmetry. Some figures have more than one line of symmetry. For example, an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Can you observe this in the given figure? In the same way, an ellipse or an oval has 2 lines of symmetry. A square has 4, while a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Kindly observe in the given figures. Some of the English letters are also in symmetry. Here are some examples of letters with vertical line of symmetry. Observe the given letters and their lines of symmetry carefully. We also have some letters with horizontal line of symmetry. Some letters like H, I, O and X have more than one line of symmetry, horizontal as well as vertical. Now let's talk about mirror image. The reflection of a shape in the mirror is called the mirror image of the shape. Always remember, we get the reflection in opposite direction. Observe the following figures. The red dotted lines show us the lines of reflecting symmetry, or imagine that a mirror is placed on that line. Can you observe the difference between mirror image and symmetrical figure? In symmetrical figure, the same shape is divided into 2 identical parts, while in mirror image, we get a reflection of the entire shape. Am I clear? Now it's time to solve exercise 7.4. It's going to be quite easy for you. Let's read the heading. What will be the reflection of the following figures when a plane mirror is placed along the dotted line? The first one is the alphabet R. Now always remember, the mirror image is always obtained in the opposite direction. So guess the answer. Come on. The correct answer is option 2. Right? Great. Now let's move to the next one. Now observe this image carefully. It has a red quadrilateral on the left side. So, its answer should have a red quadrilateral on the right side. Right? Now which will be the correct answer? Exactly. Option 3 is the correct option. Great. Now let's move further. Tessellations. A repeating pattern of shapes that fit perfectly together with no overlaps or gaps is known as tessellations. This can be used for designing the tiles or pattern on walls, or even bed sheets. Where else it can be used? Think. Now here are some examples of tessellation by repeating polygons. I hope you can observe the first figure has triangle, the second figure has repeating squares, while the third figure has repeating pentagons, right? Tessellation can also be created by repeating some curved shapes. Observe the given examples. Sometimes we misunderstand that all the figures arranged closely to each other forms tessellation. But always remember the thumb rule. There should be no gaps or overlapping. So here are two examples of figures that do not form tessellation. Now let's start with exercise 7.5. Which of the following shapes tessellate? First one is plus sign. Can this plus sign tessellate? Tell me yes or no. The answer is no, because as you can see, when we tried arranging many plus signs together, there are gaps left in between. Now next, can an oval tessellate? The answer is no, because of the gaps again, right? Now next is a short T. Can this symbol tessellate? The answer is yes. As you can see, we have arranged this symbol in a way that they do not overlap or leave gaps. Now last one is an arrow with curved edges. Can this tessellate? The answer is no, because they will either overlap or leave gaps.
So now you know all about symmetry, mirror image and tessellations, right? Great. So now you'll get a worksheet tomorrow. By then, revise the chapter, take care of yourself and the family. Bye.